Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change difficulty level on Resident Evil 4 Remake. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, if you have accessed the game, you will find that there are three levels, which is a casual, standard, and hardcore. So the thing is, if you're simply on the hardcore level and are in this standard level, and if you would like to lower the difficulty level, all you have to do is just simply have access, and even if you go to tutorial section or the menu section and access all kinds of menus, controls, camera, display, you will not be able to find a function that will let you lower your difficulty level or let you go into the lower level and let you play. So for that, the only possible option would be simply for you to start your game and simply die a plenty of time in the game. So that will simply show you that you're not ready for the higher level of difficult level here in this game. That will simply lower your level, but you have to make sure that you have to first of all lower your like level to the standard, and where you can simply access and play the game and simply die a bunch of time for you to lower. So that is the only possible option for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.